Hello guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video, and the directions are pretty simple. We're pretty much shut down now after taking the quiz. Obviously you guys kind of caught that yesterday, so yesterday we worked on missing assignments for my class. A lot of people did a lot of good work, turning a bunch of stuff in. That was good to see. A bunch of people, boosted their grade or saved their grade all in one. But that's done now. Missing assignments, no more. All missing assignments are officially, they might just stay missing, or I'll flip them to zeros eventually. But I'm not taking no more late work for the rest of the trimester. I think you guys are pretty aware that last night at midnight was the deadline. I think I said in every single video for the past 7 weeks. Same with if you're in class, you see it on the board every day. So we're just working on just basically a study hall for other classes now. So utilize your time in my hour to get other stuff done for other classes. I'm going to still be kind of grading some of the ancient Greece quiz. Again, if you missed that, we took that earlier this week. Obviously due on the 17th. Today is the 19th, so you've had a few days now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just shut down now. We're using it as a study hall for other classes. I'm going to try to finish up your guys' grades by the end of the day. So you'll have a good idea of where you're sitting moving on into, I guess, finals week or the last week before we go fully distance. All right, guys, have a good day. Good luck working on their stuff. Talk to you later.